Everybody uses their body to communicate something about themselves, through the clothes they choose to wear, through the way they speak, and even through their body language. But one of the most prominent things about any individual is his or her jewelry, or the lack of it. Even something as simple as a ring on their earlobe or a small stud on their nose says so much about the person and his or her preferences.
You want to know about the younger generation? Sometimes they are awful. Sometimes they are very good. Sometimes I can't understand them.
Welcome to the Z Modern.
Rebellious, modern expression of individuality. It can, in fact, be traced to almost every tribal nation in history. Body piercing has been practiced for as long as 5,000 years. It has been used as a personal expression, a religious ritual, and as an official or royal distinction. Among our oldest cultures, body piercing has been done not only for purposes of adornment, but for sexual, religious, and cultural reasons as well. For instance, in Africa, the women of the Mokololo tribe wore plates in their lips called pelele. This was meant to attract the men of their tribe. In other cultures, such as that prevalent in ancient Rome, centurions would pierce their nipples as a testament to their strength and virility. Piercing also found its way into religion. Shamans and high priests pierced their tongues in the ancient temples as part of a ritual to communicate with their gods. Piercing has even been mentioned in the Bible. The book of Exodus, chapter 21, verses 5 to 6, describes how Hebrew servants who had pledged allegiance to their master would have their ear held to a doorpost and pierced by an awl. Culturally, piercing was used to determine social standing. In 16th century India, the kind of jewelry worn would distinguish the wearer by caste or social standing, much like a title. During the Victorian age, the bosom ring came into fashion in Europe. Women inserted these metal rings into their nipples. During that time, penile piercings were also made popular by Prince Albert, consort to Queen Victoria. Fashion, however, was not the be-all and end-all of body piercing. People believed that piercing specific parts of the body could also bring about a change in temperament. Indian women would pierce their noses after marriage, believing it would induce a state of submissiveness to their husbands. After a period of stagnation, piercing was revived in the West with the rising of the hippie culture that saw it as a unique means of self-expression. Before body piercing exploded among the heterosexual rock movement, however, it was popular with another section of people. The gay movement adopted society's stereotype of the ear-pierced homosexual male. A homosexual woman would pierce her face multiple times as a symbol of her strength, independence, and her ability to survive. Yet, even the belief that only the young and the immoral put holes in themselves is being shattered today, as more and more people who choose to pierce their bodies fall outside this category, such as the working middle class people who spend their days behind pinstripe suits and executive lunches. That doesn't mean that piercing has become completely tame. The main reason why people pierce different body parts multiple times is their desire to make a statement, to shock, and to stand out all at the same time. Mrs. Sarah Samuel has been a counselor and lecturer for many years. Through her long years of teaching, she has developed an astute understanding of young people and the reasons why they do the mad things that they do.
Body piercing and tattooing are seen to be popular among the youth today. We can find certain very deep-rooted causes for body piercing. The first reason that we can think about may be that they are trying to establish their independence of decision making. Secondly, it can be a form of a rebellious behavior. When they go in for piercing, they are trying to attract attention of people. Why should they try to attract attention? Because they may have failed in getting attention from others through other socially acceptable means. Another possible cause for body piercing behavior that may be a strong need to belong. Now, when this kind of social acceptance is not possible in the regular groups, they try to seek this acceptance in this offbeat groups. Some people call these groups abnormal. It only means that they are moving away from the normal. There is a degree of masochism that is present in these people who do body piercing. What is masochism? It is an enjoyment that a person gets by inflicting pain on oneself. Whatever be the cause of body piercing, no fashion, no fad ever comes to stay. Pendulum always swings back.
In recent times, an ever-increasing acceptance of body piercing has resulted in it becoming something of a fashion statement. Or then again, maybe not. Why do people pierce themselves? We've heard from the psychologist, so now let's get it straight from the source.
It's good, it's different. I like the pain you get. It's amazing. I think everyone should try piercing their ears and they should feel it.
Well, I don't have any particular reasons why I pierce my ear. I just like it and I want more, that's it.
I was doing theology. I didn't have anything that time. This was like 5 years ago. And going through the books of the Bible, and I went to Revelations. Lots of sevens, 7 lambs, 7 churches, 7 So I thought, why not 7? Generally, because I didn't like the idea of rings. Looked around and saw safety pin, I put it on.
I like doing different things and it's just, I used to see people in England doing it and I thought it was quite fascinating. So I thought, why not? Once I got the drill, it was pretty easy to do it on my own instead of going to a saloon and doing it. I actually have a tiny little drill that's about so big. It's about 1.5 inches big, which has an extremely small little point to it. It's about 1 millimeter and it's quite easy to drill with it.
No reason basically, just one day I just felt like piercing my ear and ended up piercing it 5 times.
I got it last year when I passed out of school. I got it along with my friends as a parting gift. So every time this hurts, I remember what a pain they were.
Oh my god, okay. So like doing something different, and I had a very orthodox educational background, from one convent to another convent, and then working in a convent, and so I think I had to rebel for all those years of suppression and oppression, whatever.
Change is the most inevitable constant. 1999, I said I was 19 years old and I didn't have, I had ears which looked normal, which I'd been seeing for the last 19 years. So I decided to change that. So that's why I pierced it. No message, no attitude. I just wanted to see my ears with holes in them. That's all. Nothing, just craze for piercing. Actually, my friend was, let's go do piercing. Okay, fine. Actually, got in need for 2 days, so I stayed on antibiotics and liquid.
I do it because I like the thing of being different. Weird, weirdly different.
It's in Commercial Street.
Yeah, Jeweler Street. On Commercial Street.
Jeweler Street in Bangalore, as the name suggests, is city famous for the numerous jewelers' shops where you can pierce just about any part of your anatomy. Here's the man behind the red hot needle, or the gun, or the wire with a pointy, sharp end.
இப்போ காலேஜ்லலாம் அதே ஃபேஷன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குது. வாய்கிட்ட கண்ணுக்கிட்ட வயிற்றுக்கிட்ட இதெல்லாம் இப்போ ஃபேஷன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. கேர்ள்ஸு பாய்ஸ் எல்லாரும் ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு 5, 10, 15, 20 கூட வராங்க. ஹாலிடேஸில் நிறைய பேர் வராங்க. சாட்டர்டே சண்டே இந்த மாதிரி பாடி பியர்சிங் பண்ணுறதுனால வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஆஸ்மா ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கிறவங்க, ஃபியூர் என்ன ஒரு தலைநோவு அந்த மாதிரி ஃபியூர் கூட டாக்டர்ஸே இங்கே அனுப்பிச்சி வைக்கிறாங்க பியர்ஸ் பண்ண சொல்லி. இங்கெல்லாம் பண்ணாக்க அந்த நரம்பு வந்து ஓட்ட வழியா அவங்களுடைய ஃபியூர் வந்து வெளியில் போயிடுறாங்க.
While they undoubtedly have the weight of experience on their side with their 25 years on the job, the only concern in a place like this is the hygiene. So for those obsessively, compulsively clean people, there is another option. Dr. Sushil Gupta, the in-house dermatologist of Bodycraft, ensures that you get an infection-free piercing.
At jewelers' places, they don't do in a very, very hygienic way. They don't take adequate aseptic care and precautions. So that can give problem, all sorts of bacterial infections, fungal infections, and then HIV, serum hepatitis, different problems can come up, We do in a very professional way. It's a specialty clinic, and we take all the precautions like any surgery you do in operation theatre. We prepare skin, we take all aseptic care. We use disposable gloves and syringes and needles. So that way there's an absolutely safe way of doing these things.
Oh, the younger generation, sometimes they go beyond. They are too far.
Shocked, or not surprised, or simply yuck. Let's take a look at how the city responded when we introduced them to Elaine Davidson.
Oh my god, okay, this is scary. What is this? It's cool. Good. Sexy. Good. Can you get the camera off now?
I like it. And this is the art of piercing.
Ghost. Devil.
Interesting.
What is she, a pincushion or something?
Take it away! Oh my god! Oh, you.
Good lord. She's pierced her finger through the tongue.
Wouldn't like to meet that on a dark, stormy night.
Body piercing, a custom as old as time, has been passed on from generation to generation. But strangely, with the passing of each generation, the idea and the concept of body piercing has changed, and changed dramatically. From it being a custom based on culture and religion, it is now in the 21st century an expression of rebellion, of individuality, of freedom and youth.
I read this article some time back. They said like piercings are connected with either sex or drugs. I just want to disagree with that because I think that's very superficial. It's actually just body art, no? It's expression and doesn't have to be connected with sex or drugs or anything like that.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here,